Hey guys, David here. Welcome to Digital Outlook. In today's video, we're going to talk about XDC and some major updates that I think you're going to like. But before we do, if you'd hit that like and subscribe and tell your friends and family so we can get this information out to as many people as possible, that would be fantastic. So guys, without further ado, why don't we get to it? Now guys, this video is going to be short, but very informative. Now for most of you who've been watching my channel over the last month, you're going to know that XDC is one of my favorite projects. Now for those of you who've never heard of XDC, XDC is the native token on the XinFin network. And XDC stands for XinFin Digital Contract because the XinFin blockchain is a smart contract-based blockchain. Now guys, this blockchain is doing something that most other blockchains are not even looking at just yet, and that is they want to become the world leader in tokenization of securities for trade finance, and this is massive. So right now guys, XDC is amazingly fast as a third generation blockchain. They have 2,000 transactions per second. Now, in comparison, take Visa, for instance. Well, Visa has 1,700 transactions per second. And that is amazingly fast, but XDC blows the doors off it. And not only that, the fee per transaction, I kid you not, is like 1,000th of a cent. Whereas with Visa and all these traditional means, the vendor is charging you in the cost of their products that additional 3% that Visa charges of whatever that transaction is. So if it's on $100, well, it's $3. XDC is literally 1,000th of a cent. It is just crazy. Now guys, XDC has made some major headway just in the last couple weeks. So about 3 weeks ago, I was doing a video on XDC. And I was putting in some technical analysis in there, and I was showing that, hey, XDC is about to make a step up here. Well, guys, it moved in the last 3 weeks 25%. And in fact, as of today, it's trading at 2.73 cents right now. And that is a 25% gain on what it was doing just 3 weeks ago. Now, I don't know about you, but anybody that can make a 25% gain in 3 weeks in a bear market, that is phenomenal. Now, guys, I want you to take a look at this article right here, and I'll put the link in the description so that you can read it for yourself all the way through. This company, TradeTech, has just released the first ever fully regulated trade finance backed security token on the XDC network. This is huge in my opinion. Guys, we know that XDC is working towards the tokenization of securities. Now, it's my belief that eventually one day the entire stock market and all of the commodity markets will be fully tokenized. Well, XDC has a front runner advantage in my opinion on that, and this absolutely proves it in my opinion. Now guys, something else that XDC is doing that I think is rather cool. XDC is getting into the Web3 domain space. So guys, what's going on is in the next probably 20 hours here, you're going to be able to buy XDC domain names, literally your domain name .xdc, and have that registered on the XinFin blockchain. Now, why is this such a big deal? Well, number one, when you actually go out and you buy a domain name traditionally, you pay an initial fee. Well, then it may be 3 months, a year, whatever your term is, maybe 5 years, you pay again. Well, guys, with this, you're only making a one-time fee and you own it forever. That's how that works. And if you actually pick one of these banger names, that value of that name could actually go up significantly just by holding it. But another thing that's absolutely vital is this. So when you actually register a domain name and then you start to have a website built, you have to have that hosted with a web hosting provider. Well, guys, in this situation, your information is actually uploaded to the XinFin blockchain. Now, why is that significant? Well, guys, let's say your hosting provider doesn't like what you have to say about a particular topic or this or that or whatever. Well, it can be taken down by your web hosting provider. Not so when your website is registered on a blockchain. You not only own the domain name, you own the data on the blockchain that has been uploaded. That is so significant. And it's like Unstoppable Domains, which has actually made the biggest headway in this space. But I think it's very cool that XDC has decided to do that as well. So guys, last but not least, wait for it, XDC is ISO 222 compliant. And you guys know how much that excites me, because ISO 222 is actually going to be the messaging standard where all finance in the world by 2025 is actually sent through. And it is absolutely fabulous to see XDC already in one of those top tiers with their compliance on that issue. So that to me is absolutely super. So guys, this is the video I have for you today. I truly hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to make some comments in the comment section down there and let us know what you think about XDC. If you don't agree with me, that's okay. You can put that in there too. So guys, before you go, just take a quick peek at this absolutely beautiful ravine in by where I live. Just gorgeous with all this dense foliage and trees, sunlight breaking through there. It's fabulous. So guys, as you know, I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice. But if you found value in it, would you hit that like and subscribe? I'd appreciate that. So, in the meantime, and in between time, stay safe, be blessed, and I'll catch you in the next one.